Struggling with 100% disk usage on Windows 10 or 11? Here's a number of steps you can take in order to fix it. First off, click the Start button, type Services.Msc, and hit Enter. A large window appears. Click on any item and start typing SysMain. Right-click on SysMain and go to Properties. Click on drop-down next to Startup Type. Select Disabled. Click Apply. Now click on the drop-down again. Choose Automatic option, then click Apply and click OK button again. Okay, I'm going to close the Services window now. Now let's move to another solution. Open File Explorer. On left-hand side navbar, scroll down to where it says This PC and click on it. Find the troublesome hard drive, right-click, and access its properties. Then head to the Tools tab. Here you'll find an option for error checking. Hit Check, then Scan Drive. Windows will start checking for errors. This could take between 2 to 20 minutes depending on the type of your hard drive, if it's SSD drive or just a regular hard disk drive. So I am going to skip the waiting part. While that's underway, let's optimize and defragment your drive. Click Optimize in the Drive Properties window. Pick the hard drive with the disk usage problem and click Optimize again. Often, scheduled optimizations can cause your hard drive to run at 100%, so let's disable it. Click Change Settings, then uncheck the Run on a Schedule box. To switch it back on, click Turn On. Finally, to check if these fixes worked, open your Task Manager and go to Performance. Here you can see if your hard drive is still running at 100%. And there you have it, a straightforward way to fix the 100% disk usage problem on Windows.